Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, guys. I think I should welcome myself also on this channel because it's been what more than a year that I took a break from this particular channel for various reasons. I feel that uh, I should distance myself a little from K-pop because it was just turning way too toxic, and I also realized that I don't have like time for that kind of toxicity in my life, and it was making me kind of really hate K-pop overall. But then I realized that I need to separate the art from the fandom, and I feel that because it's very difficult to do in K-pop's case because both go in hand so much, work hand in hand so much. It's very difficult. Sorry, I'm actually not well. You can't tell because I've put quite a bit of makeup just to hide how sick I am. But anyway, but then I feel that it's also become such an integral part of my life that I cannot keep away. And I felt that this was a good enough time to. I mean, I just decided on whether this is a good enough time to just make a comeback on the channel because this channel exists. So why not? Why not? But I'm going to be very selective in terms of what I'm posting here, and it's going to be just my choice. But I feel I was much more happier when I kind of became like a closeted listener because any kind of opinion that you put out, which is even a slightly criticizing, or if it's a slightly negative critique, it's uh, it's considered as hate and not a criticism because apparently everything in K-pop is supposed to be perfect. So fans also cannot accept the negativity. No, not negativity. Fans cannot accept the criticism, and they feel that no, you are spreading hate against a certain group or a certain idol, which I mean is crazy. But that's how the industry kind of makes you think. Because it banks on perfection. But that's why I'm saying, I mean, I'm going to be very selective of what I put out on this channel. And this is just out of the love for the artist and the group that I will be putting out those reactions. So, yeah, now we have okay, a lot of things have happened over the last year. One of our beloved BTS members is back from the military, our very own Jin, and my god, he just gave armies a mini concert after he came back, and that's so sweet of him. I cannot wait for his music activity to start, and then also so many things happened. We had Jungkook's song, then we had Namjoon's album, so beautiful. I love that album. I didn't make a reaction, but I mean, be assured that I am in. Like I said, I really enjoyed being a closeted listener this past 1 year and few months. But I feel that, I mean, because the channel exists, just why not? Just might not be as regular, but I will still keep putting out content. Let the channel exist is what I mean. So we have Jimin, we have our beautiful Jimin dropping his album, which is called Muse. I will most probably be doing an album listening for this, and most probably, I'm not giving you any commitment, but we have the title track, which has dropped, which is called Who Official MV. So I listened to the medley that they released before the songs, and this song, and there's a song called Be Mine, which sounded really good. Like, these are the two songs that I'm most excited to listen from the album. So we already have the official MV for Who, and I don't want to delay this any further. I am so stoked to listen to this, and yeah, let us watch this right away. Oh, oh yes, guys. Oh, who is Tornado? Tornado is love, something like that. Okay.
You've never met, but she's all I see at night. Never met, but she's always on my mind. Wanna give her the world and so much more. Who is my heart waiting for? If every day I think about her, yeah, every day of my life.
Oh, we have it in English. Oh, I feel this fully in English, but never say never. Oh, wait, this outfit, the look, just the beginning. I'm sorry, I'm just too excited. Maybe you cannot hear the excitement in my voice, but because I'm not well, but Oh, the way it starts with the guitar. Ta 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 ta. Oh my god. Wait a minute, guys. We are back with the crazy reactions here, huh? This Tornado of Love. Who is Tornado of Love? Oh, oh, oh. Just
Never met, but she's all I see at night. Never met, but she's always on my mind. Wanna give her the world and so
then the beat
much
drop.
more. Who is my heart waiting for? If every day I think about her, yeah, every day of my life.
He looks so good. I mean, so obvious. You guys don't understand. You guys don't understand what the song is bringing back to me. This is so. I know most of the people. I know the people who have watched this channel is a mix of age groups, but most of the people are Gen Zs who are watching my channel. Guys, I'm a millennial. You guys don't understand what the sound of the song means to me right now. This is so 90s coded. Guys, this is so 90s coded. This song, this music, this video, these outfits. This is a millennial song. This is a freaking millennial song, and this is giving me Backstreet Boys. This is giving me the boy bands. This is giving me the boy bands. It's just reminding me of all of those things. I mean, this is so 90s coded. Like, this is my age group song. This music is, I mean, songs are timeless, but I'm just saying, if I have to like literally categorize the dancing, the outfit, look at those baggy jeans, and it's not those kind of bag, like the jacket and the music. Mainly it's the music. I'm sorry if I'm talking too much, I'm coughing. This is so 90s coded. Oh, I'm so happy. Look at that. Oh my god. 90s pop. He's not doing this to us. Are you seeing the video also? It's like, auto calibration and all. It's like those 90s VHS tapes that we used to have, like the video recorder. It's so 90s coded. This is giving me nostalgia. This is reminding me of my childhood. This is reminding me of my teenagers. Guys, this is reminding me of the song. I'm telling you, this is giving me Backstreet Boys. It's giving me 90s boy band. Oh. Woo, sexy! I love it! Oh, I love that step. I love it. Satisfied. Look at that! The way she holds his neck. This is giving me Bollywood. Look at that! Girls and boys. I love it. This song is so good, guys. Jimin, what have you done? What have you done? What has he done? What has he done? You know, when Like Crazy had released, and that was like my most played song of that year. Uh, if you had seen my Spotify like end of the year rap, now I don't use Spotify. I use YouTube Music. But I'm sure now this is gonna be the one. Oh, na 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 na. The melody is so good. Who produced this?
She's somewhere 1,000 miles away. Wanna give her the world and so much more. Who is my heart waiting for?
Oh,
Is my
what a song!
heart waiting for? Who is my heart waiting for? Who is my
He looks so good.
heart waiting for? Who is my heart waiting for? Never met pushes out I see at night.
A tornado.
Never met pushes always on my mind. Wanna give
I
her the
love his
world and
hairstyle.
so much more. Who is my heart waiting for? Is she someone that I see every day? Is she somewhere 1,000 miles away? Wanna give her the world and so much more. Who is my heart waiting for?
Oh my god. He made a song for us millennials. Specifically, I'm saying in terms of the sound of the music. Oh. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. I don't know what to say. It's so good. Oh my god. Guys, like to this video. What am I even saying? I mean, it has to be liked. It has to be liked. No, because this is how I make my comeback to the channel. This is how I make my comeback to the channel with this. What has he done, guys? What has he done? This song is everything. I mean, I was because in my head I was like, oh my god, you know, he made a song Like Crazy. He made a song like Crazy. How is he gonna top that? Because that song is so good, so freaking good. And now he's given me this. I mean, us. Oh, guys, what has he done? What has freaking Park Jimin done? Because this is crazy. This song is gonna be played in loop. And just the outfit, the choreography, the way the MV looks and feels, the way the song sounds, and the producer, like, I don't know who produced this. I'm guessing P-Dog definitely is going to be one of the producers, but I don't know the mix of producers that are part of this song. But I'm just saying they have utilized Jimin's vocals in the best of its abilities. Firstly, can I just say, I'm going to talk about the vocal, but firstly, I just want to talk about the way he is speaking English. I see a huge improvement because I also listen to the English version of Like Crazy a lot. But if I compare that to this, I feel the way he's pronouncing the words right now is freaking amazing. Like, there's a huge improvement. So you can just see, like, I can actually make out the effort of learning the diction properly, and the way he has put out the emotion in the song. So I feel that the pronunciation wise and all of that is done really well. Plus, like I said, the producers have really utilized Jimin in the best possible way. Like, they have, like, you know what, Jimin, you have these abilities, and this is how your voice modulation is, and this is the range that you can go to. And they have like we're gonna use that, and we're gonna like make sure that all of those things are highlighted. Like, his vocal prowess has been highlighted in this particular song. His vocal prowess, like, those notes, the high notes that Jimin is known for. In fact, there are places where his voice goes also low. There is a certain assertiveness in the vocals, those falsettos. I'm not well, but I feel that I'm healing also. with this energy, that I'm getting. It's crazy. I love it. I cannot wait to listen to the entire album. I'm so happy that I am posting this reaction on the channel, and I'm just not listening. This is where my confusion is always, that I have really enjoyed being a silent listener now for a year, more than a year. But then when I am now recording also, there's a different level of satisfaction that I'm getting, because I will be able to share this experience on a platform that I already have. Like, a lot of people cannot do that. And yeah, this is, I love it. I love it. I don't have anything to say. I feel that this, just the whole sound of the song is amazing. And I think I feel more impressed, because it just like hit me with nostalgia of some sorts. Because this is the kind of pop, in Western pop, that I have grown listening to. So when I'm getting that back again, and it's Jimin, so you understand my level of happiness. It's on another level, guys. It's on another level. So yeah, very, very happy to post this after so long. And you guys, let me know your thoughts, guys. I am so before I sign off from the reaction, he looks amazing. Like, I don't even, like, that goes without saying for all the members. I feel that goes without saying in any of the K-pop videos, because obviously that thing is prioritized so much in K-pop, the visuals. So in terms of his looks, he looks great. He looks so freaking handsome. I don't even have to say it. Like, it's a given. It's very, very obvious. He oozes that charisma that is required for a song like this. Glad there was, and I am glad that it was not just him singing. Another thing which was there is that, because he's searching for the love of his life, he's like, I have never met this person, but I am thinking about her all night, all day long. Where is she? Is she the person that I meet every day? Is she the person that is miles away? I don't know. Who is my heart looking for? And I'm liking, there was a little bit of that female interaction in the choreography. That was great. That's what I expect. That's what I expect from a song like this. So yeah, all of that was so very, very happy. Guys, you guys let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And I'm going to sign off now from this video. And I will see you soon. Yes, now I will see you from time to time on my next video. Bye.